Bray Windshield Skin, the world's #1 windshield protection. It's happened to every driver. In fact, more than 11 million windshields are replaced each year in the US alone. Its unique two-layer design is comprised of a laminated 2mm base skin and another 2mm top skin, designed to be easily replaced as needed. Because your windshield is an integral part of your vehicle safety cell, the Bray Group has reinvented windshield protection with our new two-layer windshield skin system. All windshield protection products are disposable and have a life expectancy, dependent on the amount of usage, care and maintenance, and environmental conditions. But Bray has developed two solutions to extend our two-layer system's life expectancy. The first is our new Super 6H HARDCOAT that adds significantly to the scratch resistance. The second is Bray's replaceable top skin system. Bray's new two-layer windshield skin is so effective, it's backed by our 18-month no-scratch warranty, with an optional 3- and 5-year warranty available. Step 1. Install Bray two-layer windshield protection. Step 2. Register replacement warranty online. Step 3. Remove damaged top layer only. Step 4. Install free two-layer replacement material. Features and options: two-layer system, high impact resistant, super scratch resistant, free 18-month no scratch warranty, optional 3-year no scratch warranty, optional 5-year no scratch warranty. Bray Windshield Skin, the world's #1 windshield protection. For additional information, go to braygroup.com.